Zucchini is one of the most rewarding crops you can grow in your garden. Not only do these versatile squashes flourish with a bit of care and attention, but they also provide a bountiful harvest all season long. Whether you're a beginner gardener or a seasoned pro looking to improve your yield, mastering zucchini cultivation is a must. In this guide, we'll share the top 10 tips for a successful zucchini harvest, ensuring you pick crisp, healthy, and delicious zucchinis straight from your backyard. Let's dive into the secrets of a thriving zucchini patch. Tip number 1. Choose the right zucchini variety for your climate. There are many types of zucchini, from classic dark green to golden and even striped varieties. Choosing a variety that thrives in your local weather conditions is key. If you live in a hot, humid region, select disease-resistant types. Cooler climates may benefit from compact bush varieties that mature quickly. Research the best options for your area, and don't hesitate to ask local gardeners or nursery experts for recommendations. Tip number 2. Start with healthy soil. Zucchinis are heavy feeders and need nutrient-rich, well-draining soil to produce abundant fruit. Before planting, enrich your garden bed with plenty of compost or well-rotted manure. Aim for a slightly acidic to neutral pH, between 6.0 and 7.5. Good soil preparation not only boosts growth but also helps prevent common problems like blossom end rot. Tip number 3. Plant at the right time. Timing is everything when it comes to zucchini. Wait until after the last frost, when soil temperatures are consistently above 60 degrees Fahrenheit or about 16 degrees Celsius. Planting too early can stunt your seedlings and reduce your harvest. In warmer climates, zucchini can be sown directly outdoors, while gardeners in cooler areas may start seeds indoors a few weeks before transplanting. Tip number 4. Provide plenty of space. Zucchini plants need room to spread out. Crowded plants are more susceptible to disease and produce fewer fruits. Space your seeds or seedlings at least 2 to 3 feet apart, and if you're growing vining varieties, consider using a trellis to keep plants off the ground and improve air circulation. Giving your zucchinis ample space ensures they get enough sunlight and nutrients to thrive. Tip number 5. Water consistently and wisely. Zucchini plants love moisture, but soggy soil can lead to root diseases. Water deeply at the base of the plant, aiming for about 1 inch of water per week, and try to avoid wetting the leaves. Mulching around the base of your plants helps retain soil moisture and keeps weeds at bay. During particularly hot spells, check your soil regularly and adjust your watering schedule as needed. Tip number 6. Feed your plants throughout the growing season. Zucchini's rapid growth means it needs regular feeding. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer at planting time, and supplement with liquid feeds every few weeks, especially when flowers and fruit begin to form. Organic options like fish emulsion or compost tea work wonders, providing essential nutrients without the risk of chemical buildup. Tip number 7. Practice good pollination techniques. Zucchinis rely on bees and other pollinators to set fruit. If you notice lots of flowers but few zucchinis, poor pollination may be the culprit. Encourage pollinators by planting flowers nearby and avoiding pesticides. In smaller gardens or greenhouses, you can even hand pollinate by transferring pollen from male to female flowers using a small brush or cotton swab. Female flowers are easy to spot by the tiny fruit at their base. Tip number 8. Monitor for pests and diseases. Common zucchini pests include squash bugs, cucumber beetles, and powdery mildew. Inspect your plants regularly for signs of trouble, such as yellowing leaves, holes, or a powdery coating. Remove any affected leaves promptly and try natural pest controls, like neem oil or introducing beneficial insects. Keeping your garden tidy and rotating crops each year also helps prevent recurring issues. Tip number 9. Harvest at the right time. For the best flavor and texture, pick zucchinis when they're 6 to 8 inches long. Oversized zucchinis can become tough and seedy. Use a sharp knife or pruners to cut the fruit from the plant, leaving a short stem attached. Frequent harvesting encourages the plant to produce more zucchinis throughout the season, so check your plants every couple of days during peak growth. Tip number 10. Keep your plants producing longer. Once your first zucchinis are ready, regular picking is key to a continuous harvest. If you leave mature fruits on the plant, it will stop producing new ones. Remove any damaged or misshapen zucchinis promptly, and keep an eye on older leaves, trimming them back to improve air circulation. With proper care, a single zucchini plant can provide dozens of squashes over several weeks. Bonus tip: don't let surplus zucchinis go to waste. If you find yourself with more zucchinis than you can eat, get creative in the kitchen. Zucchini is delicious grilled, spiralized into noodles, baked into breads, or even frozen for later use. Sharing your harvest with friends, family, or local food banks is another rewarding way to enjoy your gardening success. To recap, a successful zucchini harvest starts with the right variety and healthy soil, followed by careful attention to spacing, watering, feeding, and pollination. Vigilant pest control and timely harvesting will keep your plants productive all summer long. With these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying an abundant zucchini harvest, whether you're growing in a backyard plot, a raised bed, or even large containers. Remember, gardening is as much about patience and observation as it is about hard work. Each season brings new lessons, and every zucchini you harvest is a reward for your efforts. Don't be discouraged by a few setbacks. Learn from them, adapt your approach, and celebrate your successes. Before you know it, you'll be sharing your own zucchini growing secrets with other gardeners. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a bountiful zucchini harvest. Happy gardening, and may your zucchini patch flourish with healthy, delicious squash all season long.